uMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi samkhathaza isibalo sabafundi abangasiqedi isikole. Lokhu kusho ngesikhathi ekhuluma engqungqutheleni yemfundo eyisisekelo i-Basic Education Lekgotla eBenoni eKuruleni.
Ngaphambi kokuba aqale inkulumo yakhe engqungqutheleni yomnyango wemfundo eyisisekelo, uMengameli wakuleli zwe uhloniphe abafundi abayi12 abashone engozini eyenzeke eVaal ngomsombuluko.
We mourn this loss deeply and extend our condolences to the families, to the teachers and classmates of the children who lost their lives. And we wish those who were injured in the bus, in the crash, a speedy recovery.
uMengameli uRamaphosa unxuse umnyango wemfundo eyisisekelo ukuba uqinise izinhlelo zokugqugquzela ukuba abafundi bafundiswe ukufunda baqondisise lokhu abasuke bekufunda.
Strengthening early grade reading and numeracy is a national priority and moral imperative. When children do not learn to read for meaning or work confidently with numbers by the end of the foundation phase, the costs of not having done that is borne by the entire education system, but much worse, it is borne by the nation.
uMengameli uphinde wadalula ukuthi sisamkhathaza isibalo sabafundi abayeka isikole.
It is for me quite distressing that nearly every year, 500,000 of children who entered school like 12 years ago, like the one in 2014, they left school before reaching their matric year in 2025. Most of these learners drop out between grade 10 and 11 and 12.
Le ngqungquthela izophuthulwa kusasa.